Video camera.
Oh, you can show Ashley my ugly haircut.
Look what Daniela did to Mommy.
Yes, look.
All her little hair.
I know I'm going to say
Ow,
that, but...
crap.
Yeah, that's what Tom had.
Have you ever heard that before? You want to get married? Take a picture with him.
This means half piece because I got a nut. Potato.
I'm gonna put you on Facebook.
No.
Put them on YouTube or whatever it is.
You'll have so many hits.
Because I don't want to hit. Hey, maybe that might be one way to get him in show business.
The Brannick.
He said,
No, I want to just be a writer, director, and producer.
Did you already put some of them in the garbage?
Yeah.
Okay.
And hope to God that I don't get called off tonight. Oh, guess what? Your computer is safe with me. Let's fly. Fly with friendly eyes.
Do what?
Fly with friendly eyes.
Instead of the friendly skies?
No. Fly to friendly eyes.
Does your camcorder work anymore, your big one?
It's the zoom's busted on it.
Sabi, Kodinka panello le camarada. Pull up your malita.
Pull up your molitas. Huh? Coffee?
No, no more.
Coffee.
No, he's just saying it like a New Yorker.
Coffee.
Not coffee. That's
Cup of coffee. What, you crazy?
Coffee. 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 Wow.
Are
Coffee.
you upset that
Can I take a picture? Please?
young Curtis hasn't been come back yet?
Yeah.
I'm worried about him.
No, I don't think nothing.
Maybe he started
He could be
drinking.
Carjacked.